Hello, home designers. Welcome back to the Coohom Interior Design Masterclass, Basic Level. This is video 8, and today I'll be teaching you how to open a new project in Coohom. So, let's get started. In our previous video, we learned all about the dashboard. Now, we're moving forward to the next step, opening a new project. When you log in to Coohom, you'll first see the dashboard. From here, go to My Projects, then click on New Project. You can find the New Project button either at the top right corner or right in the center of the page. Once you click it, a new page will open with several options. Upload floor plan. You can upload various formats like PDF, JPEG, or DWG files. Draw floor plan. On the right side, you'll see the option to draw a floor plan manually. Template library. Below, you'll find ready-made floor plan templates. Next to the templates, you'll also see idea templates, where complete house layouts are already designed. You can select any of these if you want to explore ready-to-use designs. For this video, I'll simply open a template instead of uploading or drawing a new floor plan. Let's click on the third template. Once selected, Coohom will start loading the project. It only takes a few moments. When it's ready, you'll see all the walls already created without needing to draw them manually. This is a great way to practice. You can try adding furniture, designing rooms, or experimenting with layouts. In the next video, we'll learn how to set units and explore the full Coohom interface. For now, go ahead and practice opening a new project so you're ready for what's coming next. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with all upcoming lessons in this masterclass. And remember, you can get 73% off on all coohompro subscriptions using my exclusive promo code HOMEDESIGNER. Just click the link in the description to grab the deal. I'll see you in the next video. Happy designing!